I cannot believe how amazing you look today. You look absolutely stunning, gorgeous, and beautiful. I am privileged that you have chosen me to be your husband. You are my soulmate and the love of my life. I look forward to spending the rest of my life with you and creating a family with you.
We've booked in a motel close by, so
You go in.
Can we take a little time? Back porch in the rocking chair. Leave the light on, I'll be meeting you out there. Reminisce every moment past, all the times we shared. You and I growing old together, we stood and faced the weather. One thing I know, you are my soul. Got a life ahead of us, we're gonna take it slow. Little things you do, I love about you. Hold you close like the day we met and watch our lives unfold in the sky tonight. And the stars will tell our story, no doubt in my mind tonight. And I just know there never will be, it's a beautiful life.
I pronounce them to be husband and wife from this day forward, in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Sun come up in the morning, underneath the shade of an oak tree. Colors on the leaves are changing, seasons moving endlessly. Man, where did the time go? We got some history. A little bit older now, but you still look so good to me. One thing I know, you are my soul. Got a life ahead of us, we're gonna take it slow. Little things you do, I love about you. Hold you close like the day we met and watch our lives unfold in the sky tonight. And the stars will tell our story, no doubt in my mind tonight. And I just know there never will be, it's a beautiful life. A beautiful life. If I get a little gray hair, sitting out back together, resting in our rocking chairs. Music in the background, we got time to share. It's been so beautiful loving you through all of these years.
David wrote a receipt for me which says, received, one daughter in perfect condition. Full guarantee, full warranty. Comes complete with extras. Keep topped up with expensive jewellery and lubricate well with fine wines. Service regularly with lavish trips and holidays. Not to be outdone, my parents have written out a receipt for you, Catherine. It reads, received one son, sold as is, no refunds.
Just you and I. Just you and I, yeah, it's a beautiful life. Just you and I.